Hey guys, I got a quick tip for you today. It's how to set up multi-channel routing for Sitala, the free virtual drums. And it's a really great plugin. Highly recommend it as an alternative to Reaper's built-in sampler. So we're going to start off with an empty project here. We can either go to the insert menu or right-click in this empty area here, right-click here, virtual instrument on new track. And from this list, we're going to find Sitala, assuming you've already downloaded it, installed it. And we're going to double click here. In this window, we can select yes. This is asking us if we want audio output tracks and all the routing set up for us. Yes. That shortcut of insert virtual instrument on new track also sets up a track with MIDI inputs, record enabled, and monitor enabled. And if I hit my keyboard, the drum machine responds to my MIDI input. Everything's coming out of output 1 by default. What we need to set this up for multi-channel routing so that each drum pad is on a separate output is this button here with the dots. I'm going to click there, audio output, and set this to 16 channel output, 1 channel per pad. Inside the plugin, we're now routing each of these pads to individual outputs. And so each of those pads goes to a different track in Reaper. We can name these now if we wanted. So kick, snare, closed, hi-hat, etc. Essentially, that's it. We've got a MIDI track here. We would program our MIDI on this track or record it in, and all the audio comes out of these tracks. So that's it. It's really simple as long as you know where that option is. And once you have that set up, you can save this as a template and get started with it even faster. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Support the Reaper blog through Patreon and visit reaperblog.net for a lot more tutorials.